Now let's do a Dollar Tree haul. I went to my local Dollar Tree. They really had some good stuff. So it was just like, let me pick up some stuff. Well, I like that they had these lamps. So it's like a little table lamp. They had them in different colors. They had them in black. Let me see if I can open it real quick. They had them in black. They had them in white. And I think they had them in a gray. Let me show y'all the size of them. So this is how they look. So just a little gray lamp. You put the light in them right here. And it's just a nice little sleek lamp for $1.25. Wow. Okay, and then the next thing I got was some fragrance boosters. I got two kinds. So I got something to do with this stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a hack, but I'm gonna do it on another day. But these fragrance boosters, these right here, y'all, they smell so good. These fragrance boosters smell so good. Y'all could not pass these up. Oh, they smell good, y'all. They smell real good. For $1.25. The scent is fresh scent and tropical. Get those. Then it was this spray, like an air freshener spray. I got that. Okay, then I picked up a nail polish applicator. I thought that was interesting. So you put your nail polish in there and you polish it makes it easier for you to polish your nails with that. Then I got another bonnet because my grandson be taking my bonnets. I don't know what he be doing for. These are the best stylists that I ever used from the Dollar Tree. These stylists are so good. It works on all. Like something crawling on me. It works on all devices. These are the best tablets. 3 for $1.25. Then I picked up this Armor because sometimes I don't always have time to go to like the car wash. So sometimes I clean my car myself. I got like a little vacuum and everything. So I bought these because I was running out of them. Then I picked up this like, what is it called? So then I picked up this strawberry headband. This is too cute, y'all. Y'all see that? A strawberry headband. I thought that was so cute. Then I picked up these I did pick up the automotive towels to clean my car, but it was only 3 in a pack. So these come 5 in a pack. So I ended up picking up these because it was more for $1.25. So these are the rags that I'm gonna use to clean my car with that Armor stuff. Then I was looking for these containers, y'all. My mama had these that she had got from the Dollar Tree, and I could not find them nowhere. So I found them at this Dollar Tree that I went to. And I pretty much put my change in this. So my loose change and stuff, I put it in this. And yeah, I put all my loose change in there. And then my grandson, he like Rice Krispie treats. So I usually put his Rice Krispie treats in here because that big old box of Rice Krispie treats, it be taking up too much space. So I bought 2 of those. Then I bought another lamp, but I bought it in white. So the same lamp, but I bought it in white as the black one, but I bought it in white. Then I picked up another little lamp. These lamps is only $1.25. So a wall mount lamp, I thought that was cute. You put it on your wall like this. And if you're trying to like put it on something, direct the light towards something, you put your lamp like that. You put your light on the wall like that. I thought those was cute. And these lamps, they go real quick, but they had them all in stores. Then I picked up some organizers for my earrings. I don't know, y'all. I've been having a hard time, like, I don't know, like pairing my earrings. So like when I'm going to find earrings, it's like I only can find one. So I bought these so I could be a little bit more organized with my earrings. So these are gonna go, those are my earrings gonna go in. My You Got Edges, these are the containers that I use for my You Got Edges. So I just bought some more of that. And then I have bought some ice trays from Temu, the round ice trays. So usually I'll just like take the ice out of the tray, but I really want to dump it in like a little container and then refill it and then fill this up. So when I'm trying to get some ice, I can just go into and get my container of ice and get it from out of there. So I bought that. Okay, and then this is why I originally went in there for these Glass Plus wipes, but I wanted to get the they got one just like this, but it come in a yellow and black container. It's like an all-purpose wipe, but they were out of that, so I had to get the glass wipes. I usually turn these into bleach wipes, so I add my those little booster things I showed y'all, some bleach and some Pine-Sol, and I added it here, and I have my own like cleaning wipes. Now I usually wear gloves when I make them. Like when I clean the house, I usually wear gloves. So if you don't wear gloves when you clean the house, make sure you add a little bit more water to the to the solution. But bleach, Pine-Sol, and those little booster things gonna have your house smelling so good. So that's a hack, cause those bleach wipes, honey, they is too much. Them bleach wipes is too much. They $6 and $7, $8. Who got time for that? Get you they come with 160 wipes, y'all. You can get 2 of these and have over 300 wipes. And just add your solution to this, and you can make, why I'm thinking something to keep on crawling on me. And you can make your own cleaning wipes, because ain't nobody got time for that. I might do a TikTok on it. And then since it's starting to get hot, I need to put up some of my comforters up. So I got one of these bags so I can store my comforters in my closet. And the last thing I got was this Comet foam bleach. Yeah, I bought some of this. I always get this kind. I like that kind. And that's it for my Dollar Tree